Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahayu Fazil Kinasi, class 6A. Okay, I will present the result of my mini research. The title is An Error Analysis of Student Narrative Text in Using Simple Past Tense, Senior High School 1 to Mijajar. Okay, Chapter 1 Introduction. The first is background of the problem. English is an international language because it is used by the people in the world of the first. The second of Frisian language. Baker claims there are four basic English language skills, namely speaking, listening, reading, and writing. There are many kinds of English grammar that is taught and learned by the student. Simple past tense is one of the lessons in English grammar that is taught and learned by the first year student. But it is still found errors in doing items of simple past tense. In fact, there are some senior high school students are still difficult in use of simple past tense. From above, the writer in interest in a study that analyzes the student errors in using simple past tense in the senior high school levels. Okay, the second, identification and limitation of the problem. In this paper, the writer limits the study to identify how how many errors made by students in using simple past tense and classify types of error, the most and the last frequent made by the first grade of student narrative text in using simple past tense at senior high school 1 to Mijajar. Okay, the third is formulation of the problem. Based on the background above, the problem of the research are formulated in the test following question. How many errors that the student made in using simple past tense? And the second, what is the most frequent steps of errors that the student made in using simple past tense? And next is the objective of the research. The first is to identify how many errors that student made in using simple past tense, and the second to classify the most frequent the types of errors that the student made in using simple past tense. Okay, next is significance of the research. First is the writer expert that his study will be used for. The first, the teacher and the student. The teacher know the errors usually made among students of the use of simple past tense. The student and then the student. The writer helps the student will be able to do simple past tense items well and improve the student mystery of simple past tense. And next is relevant research. First, first research from Maulidatul Mukarramah 2021 explain error analysis on student writing in using simple present tense in descriptive text. This research produced descriptive data in form of written word from the subject and its behavior can be observed. And second research focus on error analysis of student translation in narrative text from Ica Rauzatul Jannah, Judzeni, Taufikur Rahmi, Alim Nur. The research approach used is a qualitative approach that aims to obtain information by conducting case studies to find out the types of errors and the cause of errors made by students in translating narrative text. And next, the last research focused on analysis of errors and the using simple past tense in writing a narrative text from Umar 2015. This study was descriptive qualitative. The research used the method to examine the event or phenomena of student. Okay, chapter 2 frame of theory. The first definition of errors. Human learning fundamentally needs a process which also involves the making of mistakes, especially in using language either speech or writing for children. According to Lies, that's the teachers who have way long better. against their student language errors have come to realize the making against are inevitable part of learning. Okay, the second types of errors. Generally, these types of errors can be classified as follow. The first, omission. Omission errors are characteristic by option of an items that must appear in a well-formed utterance. Article any morpheme or word in a sentence, potential potential candidates for omission. Sometimes our morphemes are omitted more than others. The second, addition. Addition errors are the opposite of omission that are characteristic by the presence of an item and items which must not appear in a well-formed utterance. The second is misformation errors. Misformation errors are characterized by the use the wrong form of the morphemes or structure, while in omission errors happen unconsciously. And the last is misordering. Misordering is wrong placement or morpheme or a group of morphemes is an occurrence. Okay, the third is the cause of errors. In errors analysis, the important part is the now the source of errors which are made by students. The source of errors is omission, overgeneralization, and transfer. And B. Error analysis. Definition of error analysis. The definition of error analysis, according James, in this book, error analysis is the process of determining the incidence, nature, cause, and consequence of unsuccessful language. Tense. Definition of tense. Tense commonly refers to the times of the situation which relates to the situation of the utterance of the moments of speaking. Types of tense. Okay, definition of simple past tense. Some grammars define the simple past tense with many ways. Azar says simple past tense indicate that an activity of or situation began and in and at particular times in the past. And the last, narrative text. Definition of narrative text. Narrative is a story. Narrative text is a writing that tells about a story. We use narrative writing when we tell friends about something interesting that happens at work or in school. Okay, chapter 3, research method. The first, research design. The study research use qualitative descriptive method. Then the research will know types of past tense errors made by student in writing text. The second, population and sample. The target of study, the research selected student who study in senior high school 1 to major year as the object, where the sample of study was 10 EPS. Okay, the third is research instrument. The collect the data of the study. The research had some products to answer the problem that met by students in using past tense in writing narrative text. Are the research collaborative with English teacher to give narrative text writing test. English teacher to give narrative text writing test to student for student. First, the research using observation checklist to answer research problem about the types of past tense errors made by student in writing text. The next is technique of collecting data. The collect of the data of the study, the research use interview with English teacher and some student. Then the research observed the writing activities in the class with using observation checklist. And the last, the technique of analysis data. To make to make a conclusion or answer the question of the research makes some products. First, the research analyzes the student assessment and focus to analyze using past tense with observation checklist. Second, the research classify the types of error and the research give check in the observation checklist column based on the student errors. Chapter 4, Discussion. Observation checklist was instruments were used by the research for identify what types of errors that made by student times EBS, Bates July theory, they are omission, addition, misformation, misordering. Then the research found some errors that made by student in four parts of types error. Okay, the table, yeah, okay, this table, types of errors, omission, the first omission, for example, the gums cry and then a prince receives so Snow White. This sentence omission because student omit when word when as a conjunction. The sentence above could be used past continuous, so that sentence need conjunction when the student also omit was after subject. An example, example, Godot and the wolf very happy because he full. This sentence omission because student omit was before happy and had before subject he. Okay, addition. For example, the goat met the wolf, then got running from the wolf. Um, this sentence addition because student added phrase or morpheme which shall not be added in the case student added then that shall be the case student add then that shall be delight. Okay, second example, the done so quickly put off the leaf from a tree. So, word show in the sentence above shall be delight. Okay, next, misformation. On viewport or times, life, a bunch of animal. This sentence that made by student had wrong structure life. Student white live because verb to so it D or ed. Okay, second example, there are almost there 11 and others. This sentence that made by student had wrong structure are student will write where because the in past tense shall be changed. Okay, the last is misordering. The example, he see a house with garden in the backyard with cucumber. This sentence must misordering because student word in place of sentence and student were using frightening animal. He saw a house with cucumber garden in the backyard of house. Okay, capture 5, conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion, based on the collecting data and discussion in the previous chapter, the research concludes that students of 10 EPS made errors in the writing from the collecting data and the result of research analysis narrative text by students. Most of them made error in simple parts and past continuous structure. Recommendation. After the writer carried out the research, the writer would like to give some suggestion related to this result of the research. Therefore, it can improve the teaching and learning activities in writing text. Here are some suggestions that helpful can be used for students and teachers. The teachers shall give more explanation about simple past tense because it's very important in writing. Its students need to the more exercise in writing text in order to get used to write it well. For future research, the reader realized that his research still have weakness and mistakes. Therefore, the reader would like to accept any constructive suggestion to make this research better in the future. Okay, thank you for watching and I say the last. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.